difference between Scene Clean and other biohazard companies is we are, number one, full-time. We are a niche service. All we do is biohazard focused services. We don't do water restoration, we don't do fire restoration, we don't do mold restoration. We focus only on biohazards. We're also a family-owned company. We're not a franchise. We have full-time employees. Along with that, they have benefits and vacation. They're paid well and trained very well. We do at least an annual training and annual recertification. And then anytime we change a procedure or a new product comes on the market, if we bring that in-house, we'll sit down and do another training with these guys at that time.